Okay, these are 6.2 practice. Last 3 problems on the front and the back of the worksheet, because you need to have these complete for credit. Resubmit that so you get your full credit. So it looks like this, and we're just doing the last 3. Okay, in this problem you see that these 2 angles form a 90-degree angle. So that means the equation is going to be this plus this equals 90. So 3x plus 7 plus 56 is going to equal 90. So combine these first, because they're just plain old numbers sitting there together. And that'll be 63. So now I'm left with 3x plus 63 equals 90. Subtract 63 on both sides. 3x equals 27. And now I divide by, don't forget to divide by 3 on both sides. X equals 9. All right, so x would equal 9 here. Same on this one. I notice that these 2 angles form a 90-degree angle. So they're going to add up to equal 90 degrees. This plus this is 90. So 2x plus 11 plus 53 equals 90. Combine these first. It'll be 64. Okay. Subtract 64 on both sides, just like we do when we solve an equation. And that's 26. Divide by 2 on both sides. X equals 13. Okay? On this one, I want to identify the angles. They're right here. Those 2 angles form a 90-degree angle. So that means this plus this equals 90 degrees. So the equation is 6x plus 3. I always start with where the x is first. Plus 33 equals 90. Combine these, 33 and 3 is 36. Okay, now subtract 36 on both sides. 90 minus 36 is 54. And don't forget the 6x. Divide by 6 on both sides. 1x equals 9. You would write down these are complementary, adjacent, complementary, adjacent, complementary, adjacent. All right, so let's go to the next problem, or the next 3 problems. Look, that only took us less than 4 minutes to solve those. For both papers. Okay, last 3 problems on this page. I find the 2 angles right there. They do not form a 90-degree angle. They form a straight line. They are both resting on the straight line. And I always like to shade it in so you can see it. It's a half a circle. A half a circle forms 180 degrees, which is supplementary. So these are both going to equal 180. Supplementary. All right, so this and this are going to equal 180. 4x plus 108 equals 180. And then we just do the same thing we know how to do. Subtract 108 on both sides of the equation. 4x equals 72. divide by 4, divide by 4, 18. So x will equal 18. Right here, find the two angles right there. And again, those form a half a circle, which means they're 180 degrees, which is supplementary. Sup 180. So that means that 3x plus 16, that angle plus that angle, plus 110 are going to equal 180. Combine these together first. That equals 126. So 3x plus 126 equals 180. Subtract 126 from both sides. 3x equals 54. Divide by 3 on both sides. X equals 18. Okay, last one. Identify the two angles. They're right here. And again, notice they form half a circle, which is a supplementary angle, which adds up to equal 180 degrees. So, to this angle plus this angle is going to equal 180. X plus 29 plus 101 is going to equal 180. Combine, that's going to be 130 plus x equals 180. Subtract 130 on both sides. X equals 50. And look at that. The x is already by itself, so I don't have to divide anything, so it's 50. All right, that's it. You need to make sure those are completed on both.